Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my predatory cobra mp40. I think it's a skin from like a video game. A few people requested it, so this is what I came up with. So yeah, and please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing. Please. So yeah, first you need a square sheet of paper like this, and you want to start out with a 8x8 grid. Okay, so you want to fold it in half like this. Then you want to unfold that. Then you want to fold the other side in half, of course. Okay, then you want to unfold that. Then you want to bring all the edges to the center line 2 times, okay? So first, like this, and make a crease, and again, like so. Okay, so do that for the rest of the sides. Okay, you can fast forward or whatever. Okay, so I'll be folding all the sides. Okay. Okay, then the last side. Here it is. Okay, and open that up. And now you're going to fold a fan now. So following the crease line, of course. So fold that up and keep going all the way up. Okay. Like this. And make a fan going the other direction now on both sides. Okay, so you see that crease line right there. Okay, fold that first crease line. Okay, then match the corners. Okay, make sure the edge is facing up. Okay, match the other corners. Then now you see that second crease line right there. You want to fold that second crease line. Okay, then match the corners like so. Then now you see that third crease line right there. You want to fold that third crease line right there, and then match, then fold up the corners. And now you see that 2 squares right there. Those are 2 corners, okay? Then fold them all the way down. Okay, like that. Then do the same thing on the other side, okay? So you see that first crease line right there. You want to fold up that first crease line. Okay, and now you see that second crease line right there. You want to fold that second crease line over and fold up the corners. And now you see that third crease line right there. You want to fold that third crease line down and fold down the corners, okay? And of course, the same thing, that 2 squares, those are 2 corners, okay? So you're just going to fold that down, like so. Okay, and now make sure the edge is facing towards you, okay? So the longer side towards you and the shorter side towards the back, okay? And as you can see, this is going to be the head of the cobra. So you want to bring that over. And this is going to be the back side, the barrel and the magazine, of course. Okay. And now you see that top one right here. And you see that triangle right there. You want to fold in that triangle. So you want to open up this pocket right here and fold that inside. Okay. Like so. Then you want to fold this whole thing in half, but try not to touch the top here for the head. Okay. So fold the whole thing in half. Okay. Right there, just loosely folded. And you want to fold this top piece all the way up like that. Okay, then continue to fold the whole thing in half. Okay, and try to leave this unfolded, just like this, okay? And now you see this triangle right here. You want to fold in that triangle, but first you're going to pre-crease it. So you see where that corner is? You're going to fold right there and make sure the edge match on the bottom as well. And that corner touches this crease line right there. And then unfold. Then you want to open up this bottom pocket and fold in that triangle right there. And then at the front, you're going to do the same thing here. But first, you're going to fold this bottom piece down, all the way down to this crease line right here. This first crease line right in front of the snake, the piece right here. Okay. There should be a crease line on the bottom as well. Okay. Fold that all the way down. And then you're gonna fold in this triangle. So where that corner is, you're gonna start from there and make sure the edge match and that corner touches that crease line right there. Okay. And make a crease and unfold. Then you're going to open up this pocket right here and fold in that triangle. Okay. And now you're gonna flip it over to the back side. And you see where that crease line is? Gonna fold just around there. Okay, and fold this triangle up. Just in an angle like this. And flip it over to the front side. Then you're gonna fold this triangle in half. So bring this bottom edge right up to that top edge right there. Okay. Okay, and you're going to fold in a little bit of that back edge in. So flip it over to the back side and kind of fold that in a little bit. Just like that. Okay. And now, if you look right here, you see where this corner is? See this whole square at the front? You're gonna fold that square just inside like this. And where that magazine is, you're gonna fold this up like that. Then you're gonna fold this whole barrel in half, whole front portion, okay? So yeah, that's gonna be the barrel, of course. And you can fold it in half again to make it more round, I guess. Okay, and now you're gonna make the back side. So fold this whole thing down. Okay, then fold it to the back side, and you see this edge right here. You're gonna fold that forward. Okay, let me see. Forward like that. Then you see where this crease line is. You're gonna fold that up right there and flip it over to the front and fold this whole thing back. Like so, and you see where this crease line is. You're gonna fold that right there. Okay. Okay, then you're gonna fold that front edge to the middle. So this is gonna represent the trigger guard. Okay, so there's not a lot of paper here, so that's what I did. Okay, so this is supposed to be like a trigger and everything. You can shape it out as you can. Okay, and now you're gonna fold this corner down from this spot right here all the way to that corner. Okay, so this is the stock. Fold that corner down right there. And then fold in that back corner and fold a little bit of that edge to represent the wire stock. Okay, and now you're going to shape out the head of the cobra. So fold this forward. Just like that, or maybe just around a little bit past the edge, a little bit. And now you see where that crease line is. So this whole thing is gonna be the head, okay? So fold this up, then fold the edge towards the center. Fold a little bit of that edge inside. Okay. And then fold the front in and match it with the side edge. Okay, so to make the fangs. Okay, so basically fold the corners in. Okay. Just like that. And now bring that corner and fold it out to the side. That and then you're gonna fold those triangles in half to make the fangs and kind of curve that out, of course. And you're gonna fold the head in half, kind of, about just the front portion of it. Okay. And then you see the back side right here. You see that edge? You're gonna fold just a little bit of that edge inside and leave a little space right here. Okay, to shape out I forgot what it was, I don't know what it's called actually. I meant this back neck portion. Okay. And then you see where this pops out right here. You wanna flatten that out. So push that in. Okay. So here's the Cobra mp40. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.